Welcome guys, the tutorial info channel. In front of me is iiiF150 R2 Ultra, and in this video I am going to show you how to improve audio recording quality on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to open our Play Store because we have to install Dolby On from here. So now we can open it. Right here we can skip, we don't have to create any account. And by clicking this button right here, we are going to audio record with way better quality than default audio recorder. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!